Looking for a kitchen upgrade? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 electric ranges on Amazon that combine modern features, smart controls, and efficient cooking performance. Let's begin with one of the most feature-rich options available this year, the GE Profile Double Oven Smart Electric Range. This 30-inch freestanding electric range is designed with serious home cooks in mind. It offers a massive 6.6 cubic feet of total oven space, divided between a large lower oven and a smaller upper one, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at different temperatures simultaneously. Its standout features include true European convection, a built-in no preheat air fry mode, and smart Wi-Fi connectivity through GE's Smart HQ app. You can preheat the oven, set timers, or adjust settings directly from your phone, or even through voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. The cooktop features 5 radiant elements, including a powerful dual-ring burner and a warming zone. The stainless steel finish is fingerprint resistant, making it easier to maintain a clean, modern look in your kitchen. Next on our list is theamsung Freestanding Smart Electric Range that delivers powerful cooking technology with sleek aesthetics. This model is ideal for tech-savvy households thanks to its Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing remote control and smart diagnostics via the SmartThings app. It features a spacious 6.3 cubic foot oven with convection baking, a built-in air fry mode, and a quick preheat function. The glass cooktop includes a large dual burner for oversized pots and a dedicated griddle zone, making it versatile enough for everyday cooking and weekend entertaining. The intuitive digital display, stainless steel finish, and easy clean features make it one of the most user-friendly models in its class. If you're looking for seamless integration with your smart home and reliable performance, this Samsung range won't disappoint. The Whirlpool Double Oven Electric Range is our top pick for families or avid entertainers who need extra oven space. This 30-inch electric range comes with double ovens, offering a combined capacity of over 6.7 cubic feet. The upper oven is great for quick baking or warming dishes, while the larger lower oven is perfect for roasts, casseroles, or multiple baking sheets. It includes true convection in the lower oven, rapid preheat technology, and Whirlpool's frozen bake feature, which lets you skip preheating altogether for select frozen meals. The smooth ceramic cooktop has 5 elements, including a triple ring burner for high heat searing. This model is also compatible with Sabbath mode and features intuitive touch controls for easy operation. The Whirlpool WGE 745C0FS is ideal for anyone who needs more cooking capacity without stepping up to a commercial range. For those who prefer a slide-in design for a built-in look, the GE Slide-In Convection Electric Range is a compelling option. This 30-inch slide-in electric range fits flush with your countertops, giving your kitchen a seamless, high-end appearance. The oven offers 5.3 cubic feet of capacity and features convection baking, air fry technology, and a fast preheat function. What makes this model stand out is its removable oven bottom tray, which simplifies cleanup after heavy use. It also comes with GE's Smart HQ Wi-Fi control, allowing app-based management of your oven from anywhere. The cooktop includes 4 radiant elements and a 5th warming zone, all protected under a sleek glass surface. If you want modern performance in a streamlined design, the GRS600A VFS delivers great value for its price point. Finally, for apartment dwellers or those with limited kitchen space, the Hisense Compact Budget Electric Range is an excellent range that doesn't compromise on features. Despite its compact size, it includes convection cooking, an air fry mode, and a self-cleaning oven, features typically found only in full-size models. The smooth top surface features 4 radiant burners, including one with high heat capability for boiling water quickly. Its 2.9 cubic foot oven is perfect for smaller meals, and the modern stainless steel design brings style to even the smallest kitchens. For those who need a reliable space-saving solution without giving up advanced functions, the Hisense HBE3501 CPS is a smart and affordable choice.